The Toshiba T1200 laptop. This one's a rebuilt one. It's from the late 80s. They started making them in, I think, 87. They're pretty awesome. I'll just switch this one on. It's had all 3 batteries redone, all the caps. Just thought I'd pause there for that beautiful sound. Yeah, so in rebuilding this one, I noticed that there was some extra sockets for RAM chips. Here's one that's been disassembled. As you can see, the big board's the motherboard. And this one here is the RAM card. And there are 4 extra sockets. What do you reckon, Finn? 4 extra sockets? What do you reckon they're for? You don't care, do you? Yeah, Finn doesn't care. So the idea is to get 4 256K by 4-bit DRAM chips, solder them into those sockets and see what we get. Now, of course, you're not going to get the 2 megs, you're only going to get 1.5. But that's a hell of a lot better than using up your expansion slot just for a 1 meg LIM EMS card, which I've never seen before and would probably be incredibly expensive, where 4 DRAM chips, pretty bloody cheap. So I'm waiting on the chips, gonna give it a crack when they turn up, and we'll see how it goes.